Hello, everyone at the Pine Ridgeland High School, specifically those of you who are taking the honors computer programming class. My name is CJ Feller, and today I have to show you my final project for honors computer programming. Now, what this program is that it's a little game. Platform Hopper is what I like to call it. And at first, you load into the tutorial. So, for those of you who don't like reading, allow me to do so. Welcome to the tutorial. Use WAD or the arrow keys to move around. W is to jump, or up arrow. A is to move left. D is to move right. Left arrow can also move you left, and right arrow can also move you right. Uh, just press this. I could press escape anytime I want to exit the game, but because I want to show you my game, I'm not gonna. Anyways, you might notice that there's weird things in the sky, but those things are platforms. They can help me get to very high, out of reach places that the player can't normally get to. Some jumps are a little bit more difficult than others, and honestly, I'm really proud of how that turned out. Walls are also a part of this game. Um, Sometimes there might be a wall that I have to jump over, like this one. Um, so I have to figure out a way to platform over them. So without further ado, and final jump. You can see that I can't go back. I can't go through the wall. I can't do anything. So the only way to do now, the only thing to do now is move forward. And if I move forward, I'm going to be into the next level. But something's off about this level. I wonder what's happening to the game. But look at that. I forgot. I can jump through the platforms. This also applies to the tutorial, and, well, it's quite an interesting thing. But I wonder what's happening to the game. It seems to be breaking down or something. Where'd the background go? The game seems to be running smoother, but you would think you would need a background. But now the platforms, they seem out of place. What's happening? I don't know. Maybe if we go to the next level, something else will happen. Platforms or walls are being placed down randomly, it seems. But now, where'd the platforms go? They seem to have disappeared entirely. Maybe the next level will fix the game. We can't have the ground now? What's happening? Yeah, I agree, platform. What's happening, Platform Hopper? What's happening? Don't go to the end of the level. You need to figure out what's going to happen? Well, I'm really curious to see what happens. Let's go to the end of the level, shall we? Uh-oh. Oh no, my game. It shut down. What shall I ever do? That's the funny part about this game, though. Um, Honestly, I had a blast making this, and I really liked how it turned out at the end. This is what my final project for Honors Computer Programming is. Thank you, and have a good day, night, weekend, week, month, year, anything. See y'all.